Yeah. It's not letting me. Okay, as far as I can go. Alright guys, we made it back. So now we're gonna try to, I guess, I'll go ahead and get this hood off. Yeah, 10mm.
Wouldn't it be easier to use the impact?
Yeah, 10mm is gonna be like this stuff here. That's 8. We'll leave it under the car, I guess.
You did.
You did.
You did.
You did.
I mean, you did it.
So guys, we're gonna work on getting the hood off, and you can kind of see Craig over there. And then we're gonna start finishing disconnecting the transmission, and then see if we can't get this bad boy out. All right, guys. So we've made a little bit of progress. What's wrong, Craig?
I'm going to sleep.
It's about 11:30 here, and we have the engine loose. So we've got a couple of things left to get out. AC lines and a couple other little odds and ends. Transmission's loose. Let's see here. Transmission's loose, so it's just kind of sitting there right now. We'll finish getting it out in a minute. But this is what we're working on now. We're going to try to get this engine pulled, and yeah. How you feel about this? Tired. I hear ya.
So you got grass in your head.
Oh yeah, I got pro dirt, grass. Where?
No.
Oh,
there
no.
you go. Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yay.
Is your head turning wet?
Shut up.
Mine's old.
I'm not that old. Alright guys, we're gonna set you up on a stand and probably do a little time lapse.
Don't let him fool you.
On
He's
this
like
part.
40.
Shut up, you. And so we're gonna get this finished. Alright guys, got the engine out as you can see. Car's pushed back out of the way. We got to get the clutch pack off so we can get the engine stand on it. I'm going to go ahead and pull the flywheel too probably. That way whenever we start cleaning up and doing some painting.
Like lower this a little bit.
I like it right here for now. Let's just get this off and then we'll lower it down, line it up with the stand, and then...
Yeah, but you're going to have to break these loose in the whole motor if you want to do this.
Impact now.
Mr. Finch, I got impact on.
Right. Alright. Two more.
Could be.
Grab it. I'll grab it. Here. I don't remember it being very light. Alright, go ahead.
The other bolts were in it. Three off with the other.
Look, it ain't even broke in yet.
No, it's not even. There's like literally nothing wrong with it.
There might be 100 miles on this.
Not even. There's like 70. Not even that. I think it's only like 45 miles on that clutch.
Alright.
We need a bigger size. Alright, so we decided that since it's already kind of late, we're gonna have a little bit more fun and pull the valve covers off just to have a look, see what kind of condition the engine's in. So he might time lapse this, so
D-Lo Beats.
hot spots or nothing. Of course, it ain't gonna matter about these cams, no way.
Oh man. Whatever that means.
Cams are coming out.
You wanna try to take spark plugs out? You got
There's
any?
still a lot of trash in there, man. Look down in there. I don't want to pull it out with that shit in there.
Well, it's not like you can't get it out.
What if I should throw a time chain set on there?
I would. What kind of dumbass question was that? You know the answer to that yourself.
Yeah.
Oh shit, is this the barrel we walked on?
What's the phaser?
What is it? How exactly does that work? Are y'all ready to do a really crappy 3 valve?
Alright guys, so of course as you can see we've got it out,
See how you do.
sitting on the stand.
Yeah. See
I'm gonna get it out of the light here so you can see it. Looks pretty clean, it's not
On
too
this
bad.
This side looks bad.
Everything's in place. Nothing seems to be overly loose, except Craig's, whatever's
I'm
in
ready to go
between
to
Craig's
sleep.
ears. We got to do some cleaning. I have to order some stuff. This side's definitely a little darker colored. I'm not sure why. Possibly this side's been replaced but once before. We don't know. Car's got good compression and stuff. It ran really good. And the 3 valve sitting over there, the 06. So now what we're gonna do is basically tear it down, put all new gaskets on it. We did put new rear main seal in the car when we took the transmission out to put a clutch in it, so we shouldn't have to worry about that. We are going to pull the pan, put new oil pan gasket on it, new timing cover gaskets. We are planning on doing a timing chain set, so we'll probably do a video on that.
But
Now here's the kicker. Here's some of the plans we got for this car.
what cams do you guys recommend for this car?
Exactly. So we're basically in A right now. We do plan on adding a Turbski on it, or a Whaley Snail on here. So
Nagasaki Noisy Boy.
Nagasaki Noisy Boy. So yeah, whatever, leave comments down down below. Let us know what you guys think as far as what cams would you run in this car. We've been looking at the NSR cams, which
No springs required.
yeah, so we don't have to change out any springs or followers. There's, what was the hot rod cams?
Yeah,
By Comp
springs and stuff
or
on
Ford? It's Ford Racing hot rod cams, correct? By Ford Racing. All right, so there's Ford Racing hot rod cams. Comp cams makes a pretty good set of cams for this.
Too bad they don't make a set. Too bad they don't make a set of mother thumper cams for this one.
They do.
Do they? I bet them ones.
They're loud, but the problem is you lose a lot of low end.
We're gonna have a turbo on it. Who cares?
Well, anyway, so that's kind of where we're at with it right now.
With a side pipe coming out the 82.
Oh god, I am not putting side pipes on my car. So, but yeah, guys, that's kind of where we're at with it now. We've got it sitting out here, and me and Craig couldn't believe how big the engine looks. I mean, it's pretty huge.
He's scared that the engine stand's gonna fail.
I mean,
I told
hopefully it
him
don't.
people put big block Chevys on these things.
I don't know. It's half a ton, so I mean, a ton
There's no
is
way this is half a ton.
it's what it's rated for. It says half ton, right there on the side.
I'm talking about the motor.
I understand that. Half a ton is 1,000 pounds.
Duh.
So the engine's halfway to 1,000 pounds. Well, not now, but so yeah. But just like I said, we're gonna do a little cleaning, a little painting. We're gonna spruce it up some. I did find some.
He wants to do Ford Blue. Everybody tell him not to do Ford Blue.
You know what?
Ford Blue is like the worst.
The valve
color.
covers are gonna be the Ford
Okay, that's
Racing
it.
Blue.
What you were talking about earlier, doing timing cover
No,
Ford
all
Blue.
that'll probably black after I get it cleaned up. Where's that valve cover? The one that. Check this out, guys. This is kind of neat here. Let's see, was it this one? Yeah. All right. All right. That is actually where the wire loom was sitting on top of the valve cover, and it's indented. It's wore into that. That's crazy how that wire loom wore into that. right there. These are aluminum covers. I think the Ford racing ones I'm looking at, if I'm not mistaken, are like a polymer. They're not plastic, they're like a polymer or something like that. Or they may even be plastic, I don't know.
Really?
What?
You're going... No.
Yes, I want the blue valve cover.
Okay, well then paint them Ford blue.
No.
Them's aluminum. Them's a lot better.
Anyway, guys,
Plastic sucks. Don't do it.
that's where we're at with it.
Don't do plastic.
We're gonna try to convert all the wiring over to the 82 car.
It's not gonna work.
We're gonna try to make He's such a negative person, I swear to God. He is horrible. He really is.
What?
He's so
Just
negative.
call me ignorant?
Negative.
You're ignorant.
Negative. You need to go sleep.
I've been trying to go home and go to sleep. You won't let me.
What time is it?
Like 1 o'clock.
Is it that late? Hang on. 1:15. So guys, a lot of these late nights around here, but the only time we get to work on things is kind of how it works. So, but yeah, we're kind of happy with it. We did have a little bit of a struggle with the transmission. Just didn't really have the car up high enough to get it out. These things are a pain in the ass to get transmission and engine out at the same time because of the steep angles that you got to have it at to get it up out of the car and get across the course board.
I like cooking pizza.
I don't know, but I'm hungry now.
I want pizza.
So anyway.
Hey, Taco Bell still open?
Oh God, we're not going to Taco Bell. My stomach can't handle that. Alright guys, thank you guys for checking this out, watching the video.
I'm Craig.
If you guys have any questions, ask them, comments, leave them. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it.
If you hate me, like this video.
Hey Craig, like the video. If you don't hate Craig, like the video.
If this video gets 100 likes, we'll post a video of my car doing a burnout on YouTube channel. But it has to hit 100 likes. If it doesn't hit 100 likes, you're not getting
We'll go do a burnout with it, yeah. Alright guys, once again, thanks for checking us out.